all the information about the bar department is here in this video. Hey guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video guys. Yes guys, today we are going to talk about a bar department, and which I could say it is one of the most requested video. And guys, literally whatever guys you guys request to me, I note down that and I prepare a video on that. So here is a detailed information on the bar department. Trust me guys, there is no such video is available on the YouTube where you will find all the details about a bar department in a one single video. So guys, in this video I will give you a complete information like what age is required, what is the experience, qualification, and guys what is going to be a work time, work positions, and what is the hierarchy of the bar department. Yes guys, I will give you what are the positions on the bar department as well on the cruise ship, and so many of details about the salary details as well. But before I proceed, make sure you have subscribed to my channel, press the bell icon, do the all notifications on, so whenever I will upload a more informative videos like these, means I keep on making videos about jobs, I keep on making videos about a cruise industry, means there is so much stuff to come guys. And guys, I have noticed one thing in my analytics. Basically guys, I can see is more than 80% people who have not subscribed to my channel but watching my videos on a daily basis. So please guys, show your support, do subscribe. It really motivates me to keep making such videos for you guys. When I see our family is growing, that means it brings us responsibilities to me. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about a qualification. So as you guys know, to work in a cruise ship, the minimum class you need to pass is a 10th standard. Yes guys, you have to be a 10th standard, but being a 10th class pass, it doesn't bring you a job guys. All right, so guys, if you want to really work in a bar department, so guys, it's really so important if you could do any of the course of the bartending. Okay, means you can do a course of bartending, bar servers. There are so many of people, and there is a basic course as well where you learn about a bar, means you learn about the drinks. Okay, so you can do those courses, and then if you have any of one of the degree and the diploma, trust me, it is going to help you out so much getting a job. So our next point is experience. So guys, to work in a bar department on a cruise ship, you require at least of 2 years of experience. If you have more than 1 year of experience, you can still try your luck. And guys, I know there are so many people who does not have experience. So guys, you can have experience. You can basically join any of the, so you guys basically can join any of the above 3-star rating hotels, huge restaurants, huge resorts. So guys, you can actually gain an experience of bar from there. Third, salary. So well guys, it is going to depend what position you are going to join on a bar department on a cruise ship. But guys, the basic position which starts in a bar department is a bar utility. And guys, it may vary the salary which I'm going to tell you depending on the cruise line, but normally on the cruise line, bar utility people get paid $800 to $1,000, and it is a very good salary. But guys, with the salary there is a tips as well. So as soon as you become a bar server, or guys, most of the time the bar utility people, they are also on the floor, means they are also in the bar where people are taking a drink. So basically you are nearby to the counter cleaning the stuff out there. So they are most of the people which I have seen, the guests, they also give tips to a bar utility people as well. Okay, but bar server really makes so much of money, but this is not the topic. Let's move to the next point. Next point, working hours. So guys, I have already prepared a video on the sea days and the port days, and as you know a difference about that, and if you haven't watched that my previous video on a sea days and a port days, what are the difference on that, please make sure click on this I button after watching this video and watch that video. All right, it is really going to help you out knowing how much work you are going to do, means how long it is going to be your work time on a cruise ship. That video will tell you each and everything, but on a roughly basis you will work 9 to 10 hours per day. Next point, position. So well guys, as I told you just before, so guys, your position is going to depend how much experience you have, how much qualification you have. There are so many people who directly join on a cruise ships as a bartender, as a bar server, and mostly the people join as a bar utility. Okay, so if you had any of the cruise experience guys, if you were working in any of the cruise ship before, then definitely whatever job you were doing over there, you will get the same position there. But guys, if you were working in any of the land based experience, so guys, it going to depend how much experience you have and what is your qualification, and your interview will take place, and that is basically going to determine what position you will get. All right, but on the basic position you will get a bar utility. Promotions. So what is the promotion? So well guys, on the cruise ship there is a promotion. Well guys, if you are a bar utility working as a bar utility, then you will be promoted as a bar server. Then if you are working as a bar server, you will be promoted as a bartender. But guys, in most of the places I have seen that bar servers are the people who really make so much of money, because guys, they are really engaging with the customer, they are really engaging with the guest, and they are serving them, making a fun, means not making a fun of guest, means trying to create a laugh, trying to create a fun. So guys, whenever people they they become happy, and if any of the person they makes them happy, so guys, literally people, most of the people, they give them a tips. All right, so guys, bar servers, they really make so much of tips, even the bartenders as well, and even the bar utility as well. But in the bar utility, chances are a little bit less. Now let's talk about what is going to be your work. So well guys, in bar utility, if you are working, as I told you guys, in bar utility, your main work is going to be of cleaning, means cleaning of glasses, means cleaning all the counters, and taking care of pantry, taking care of bar store, getting all the items from the means bar store. Because guys, they are means you guys are working in a bar department, there's a huge bottles guys, and the box, it can be little bit heavy, but guys, you're not going to carry it on your shoulder. You guys have a trolley out there, so don't worry about that, means you are going to do heavy work. But yes guys, there is a heavy work, means you have to be fit, and if you are working on a cruise ship, that means you are fit because you have been passed or you have been tested already, your medical test. So guys, this is what the position is basically of bartender. And let me give you a hierarchy of a bartender, so you will have a complete information about this department, and you can make your mind what position you want to achieve in your life. Okay, there is a bar utility, first of all, a basic position. Then you go promoted as a bar servers. Bar servers basically engaging with the people, serving them drinks. And then there are bartenders, people who are making a drinks out there. Then there is a senior bartender, means even a higher bartender whenever there is a VIP customers, and when your supervisors know, yes, you can't make a mistakes out there, this is where the bartenders, senior bartenders takes place. But mostly senior bartenders are there. Then there is the bar supervisor, who is basically a current in charge of the bar department, what is going on in the bar, and means taking care of all the things, and all the operations are going smooth. Then there is assistant bar manager and a bar manager. So guys, this is the hierarchy, and you can basically try for that. It is really a very good department which I have seen. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like, please do not skip, please like the video. It really motivates me to keep making such videos for you guys. It won't take more than 1 second. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. It really motivates me to keep making such videos for you, and you will also get a notification whenever I will upload a more informative videos like this. If you think so this video is worth of sharing, so please share it with your bar people, means if any of the person you know wants to work in a bar department, please share it with them. And guys, if you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram ID link is given down in the description below, or you can search on Instagram Akshay_is_live, and you can talk to me personally out there. All right, so guys, I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.